Discover Visla's script to video, tailor-made for business professionals. Quickly turn scripts into polished videos for presentations, marketing, and training. Save time with our AI that automates voiceover, visuals, and background music, enhancing your brand's digital presence with professional quality content. Simply start a video project and select text as your input. Then, paste your script. Optionally, describe the pacing you'd like for your video. Visla's AI will then craft a video, selecting relevant stock footage, generating a voiceover, and adding music. Your full video is ready in minutes, no manual editing needed. Visla accommodates different script types, from narrator scripts with only the speaking text to scene-based scripts detailing the visuals and narration scene by scene, and scripts with timestamps like you would see from an SRT file. Visla's AI can process all of these, creating dynamic videos in minutes. Customize your generated video further with Visla's editing tools. Edit the narration, add text overlay, or select different AI voices to match your brand. Visla's script-to-video streamlines video production, delivering professional results fast. Start creating impactful videos today. Visit Visla and transform your script into a story.